Dear students, in the last class we discussed some problems that is related to the nth terms of an arithmetic progression. In this class we are going to discuss about sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So, sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is denoted as Sn. Sn. What does it indicate? S means sum. S means sum. Sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So, that is Sn. Let us consider some example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are in AP, no doubt. So, this is an example for finite arithmetic progression. My question is, what is the sum of each term of this AP? What is the sum? By manual adding, so we will get the sum of each term of the arithmetic progression. So, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, which is equal to. So, by adding each terms, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, that is 30. By manual adding, so we will get the sum. One more question, what is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? Natural numbers are also in AP. First 10 natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 10. So, what is the sum? By manual adding, so we will get the sum. So, sum is 55. One more question, 1 plus 2 plus so on up to 1000. What is the sum of first 1000 natural number? Is it possible to find the sum of each terms of this AP? Yes, can be possible. How? By manual adding or with the help of the calculator, we will find the sum. But it is time consuming, very time consuming. There are simple and interesting formula to find the sum of n natural numbers or sum of n terms of the arithmetic progression. So, some of the formulas are there. So, what is the formula? Now, go through the formula. So, sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. One thing should I remember you that, students, for the examination point of view, derivation is not important. For your extra knowledge, I will give you the derivation of sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression formula. For the examination point of view, you concentrate only formula, that much enough. So, the derivation, so let A is the first term of an arithmetic progression and D is the common difference. A is the first term and D is the common difference. And next, Sn denotes sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. You know the general form. So, general form of the arithmetic progression. What is the general form? General form A plus D, A plus 2D, last term A plus n minus 1 into D. So, this is the general form of arithmetic progression. A plus D, A plus 2D, last term or the general term A plus n minus 1 into D. Our aim is to find the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So, sum is denoted as Sn. So, sum means sum of each terms of the AP. So, first term A plus D, second term and plus third term A plus 2D plus so on up to, what is the last term? Last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Let it be equation number 1. Equation number 1. And next, Sn equal to, write this AP in the reverse order. Last term becomes the first term. So Sn equal to, what is the last term? So last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the first term. Plus, I'll ask one question. A plus n minus 1 into d, that is the last term. What is the preceding term of a plus n minus 1 into d? Preceding term, previous term. What is the previous term or the preceding term? So the previous term, that is a plus n minus 2 into d plus, so here the first term is a, so here the last term is a. So let it be equation number 2. Got it? Next, by adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. So we will get equation 1 and equation 2. So here the Sn. So their corresponding term is Sn. Now add the corresponding terms. Sn plus Sn. That is 2Sn. Sn plus Sn is equal to 2Sn, which is equal to. So the corresponding term a plus n minus 1 into d. See here a plus, so here a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d. Now add a plus a, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the answer, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus, what is the second term? So second term is a plus d. Here a plus n minus 2 into d. Now add these two terms. A plus d, see here a plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d. Now add these two terms. A plus d plus a plus n into d, that is nd minus 2d. So a plus a, that is 2a plus nd plus d minus 2d, that is minus d. Now simplify 2a plus, so here any common term? Yeah, d is the common term. So take outside d, so remaining n minus 1. So this is the answer, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore the second term a plus d plus a plus n minus 2 into d, their sum also 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Got the point? Plus so on. When we add any two terms, so we get the answer 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So the last term a plus n minus 1 into d plus a. What is the answer? So see here a plus n minus 1 into d. Answer is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just look at the answer. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That term is repeated how many times? N times. That is repeated n times. Which term? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this term is repeated n times, or n terms are there. See here 2Sn is equal to, so at the right hand side how many terms are there? N terms, or we can write it as n into which term? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this term repeated n times, or the right hand side contains n terms. Our aim is to find the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms, that is Sn. So therefore transpose the coefficient term. So therefore Sn is equal to n, now transpose n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So the n n means number of terms, a first term, d common difference, Sn sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. I think this problem is formula is clear. We can write this formula as Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a. We can write it as a plus a. Am I right? A plus a. Answer is 2a. So plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? A plus n minus 1 into d. What does it indicate? A plus n minus 1 into d? A plus n minus 1 into d? That is the general term of an arithmetic progression, or the nth term of an arithmetic progression, or the last term of an arithmetic progression. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d, that is an. Or sometimes it is written as Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So this is also formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or n by 2 into a plus l. So here a is the first term. A is the first term, an or l, that is last, an or al, that is the last term of the arithmetic progression. In AP, if the first term and the last term given and the common difference is not given, how to find the sum of n terms of arithmetic progression? Is it possible? Yeah, using this formula we can find the sum. So n by 2 into a plus an. A is the first term and an is the last term, or l is the last term. So the formula to find the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If the first term and the last term given, the formula n by 2 into a plus an. I think this formula is clear. Okay. Next we pass on to the examples. So look at the first example. Find the sum of the first 25 terms of the AP. 3, 7, 11, 15, so on. What is the question given? Find the sum. Sum means a formula, Sn formula. So find the sum of the first 25 terms. So 3, 7, 11, 15 are in AP, no doubt, because the difference between a term and its preceding term is a constant. So what is the first term? So A is equal to 3, and the common difference D is equal to 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. Find the sum of the first 25 terms, that is n. So n is equal to 25. So we have to find sum of the first 25 terms, that is denoted as S25. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So Sn, so that is S25. So n, that is given 25 divided by 2 into 2a, 2 into first term, that is given 3 into n number of terms 25 minus 1 into d, common difference value, that is 4. Now simplify. 25 by 2 into 2 into 3, that is 6, plus 25 minus 1, 24 into 4. Now multiply, which is equal to 25 by 2 into 6 plus 24 into 4, that is 96, which is equal to 25 by 2 into 96 plus 6, that is 102. 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 2 ones are. So 25 into 51. Now multiply. 25 ones are 25, 2 remaining. 25 fives are 125. 125 plus 2, 127. So that is S25. So this is the sum of the first 25 terms of the given AP 3, 7, 11, 15, so on. I think this problem is clear. For the examination point of view, find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So this type of the problems are very important. So clear? Okay. Next example, find the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP 8, 3, minus 2, so on. Same question as previous question. Find the sum of the first 22 terms. So the 8, 3, minus 2 are in AP, no doubt. So what is the first term? A is equal to 8 and D is equal to second term minus first term, which is equal to minus 5. First 22 terms, number of terms, n is equal to 22. So we have to find sum of the 22 terms. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn, S22, which is equal to n 22 by 2 into 2 into first term, that is 8, plus n minus 1, 22 minus 1 into d value minus 5. Simplify. 2 1s are 2 11s are, so 11 into 2 into 8, that is 16, plus 22 minus 1, 21 into minus 5. Clear? Which is equal to 11 into 16 plus into minus, that is minus 21 5s are, that is 105, which is equal to 11 into sign minus 16 minus 105, that is 89. Now multiply. 11 9s are 99, 9 remaining, 11 8s are 88 plus 9, 97. So sign minus. So that is S22. Sum of the first 22 terms of the given AP 8, 3, minus 2, that is minus 979. I think this problem is clear. Next we pass on to the next example. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. Understand the question correctly. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is given, sum of the first 14 terms of AP is 1050 and the first term is also given 10, find the 20th term. How to find the 20th term? You know the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A, first term, that is given. What about D, common difference? We don't know the value of the common difference. So first find the common difference value. So if the sum of the first 14 terms, that is denoted as S14, which is equal to 1050. And its first term, A is equal to 10. Find the 20th term. 20th term is denoted as A20. S14, that is in the form of Sn. You know the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values. Sn, that is S14, which is equal to n value 14 by 2 into 2 into a first term 10 plus 14 minus 1 into d. S14 value, that is 1050, equal to 2 1s are 2 7s are, so 7 into 2 into 10, 20 plus 13d. So here the coefficient term 7. Now transpose the 7. So which is equal to 1050 divided by 7 equal to 20 plus 13d. Now divide. 7 1s are, so 7 1s are 7, 3 remaining 35, 7 5s are 0. So that is 150 equal to 20 plus 13d. Now transpose the constant term. 150 minus 20 equal to 13d. or 13D equal to 130. So D equal to 130 divided by 13. So D equal to 10. So this is the value of the common difference. The question, find the 20th term. How to find the 20th term? So 20th term, A20 equal to A plus 19D. A20 equal to A plus 19D, or formula An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is the first term, n 20 minus 1, that is 19D, or A20 equal to A plus 19D equal to A first term, that is given 10 plus 19 into D value, that is 10, equal to 10 plus 190 equal to 200. So this is the value of the 20th term. So 20th term is 200. I think this problem is clear. Okay, students, go through the textbook problems and practice those problems. So we shall continue in the next class. Thank you, one and all.